Hi, it's Brooke with WTI, and if you're looking for a way to stay warm during the winter, then look no further. And that's why this heated vest from HILLSLTR is the best addition for my garments. It warms me up within seconds, and I can be comfortable out in the chilly, brisk air, the breeze, no matter what. I love the elastics around the hips so I can make it more snug. I also appreciate the LED display is so pretty, the front and back buttons, and it's easy to press and turn on. And you can control the 3 heat settings, and the front and back do not have to be on at the same time. You can control whether it's high or medium or low heat. And then the colors are red for high, white for medium, and blue for low. Really giving me the best temperature, keeping me happy when I'm doing the things that I love. And I love how it feels, the fact that it's lightweight and not bulky, so I can stay warm without so much excess fabric, especially as the winter comes around. I tend to layer, and this is a wonderful way to layer my heat and not be so weighed down with too much fabric. I also like that there's pockets on the side with zippers, so I can either zip it up with my keys in there or stick my hands in there and keep my hands warm as well. It's easy to keep clean. I can wash it on a cold cycle as long as I take out that battery pack, which has a long life, and I love that. It can last for up to 11 hours on the low heat, or 7 hours on medium heat and 5 hours on high heat. And it also shows you how much your charge is on your battery pack. So it comes with a charger as well, and the battery pack, and a nice gift bag. So this has been my favorite piece, and I love being warm. I love it, but that's just my point of view.